this is the first page of this worksheet and chapter name is tissue. You can read the questions. A group of cells similar in structure that work together to perform a particular function forms a dash. Meristematic tissue are also called dash. The dash cells in plants are compactly arranged and do not contain any intercellular space between them. Means compactly means they don't have any intercellular space. The cells of tissue have thin cellulose cell wall. Which type of cells have thin cellulose cell wall? Next question. The dash cell of plant contain few vacuoles or no vacuoles at all. Let's come to next question. There is some sequence is you can ignore that number. After question number 5, we come to question number 8. Dash meristems are found at apex of leaves. Apex means at the tip parts or apex parts of the leaves. Dash meristem are found beneath the bark. Lateral meristem is also called dash. Lateral meristem of vascular bundle is also called dash. Dash is the region which is responsible for growth in the thickness of stem or thickness of body of plant. The main function of dash tissue in the plant is continuously form a number of new cells. Dash meristem brings about the elongation of the root and stem. This means that which meristem is responsible for the increase in length of root and stem. Next question. Dash meristem brings about the elongation of root and stem. Again the same question repeated. Primary growth of plant is due to which meristem? Secondary growth of plant is due to which meristem? And next 17th is which meristem? Dash meristem causes the organ. Which organs? Stem or root. Stem or root to increase in diameter and girth in the breadth, right? Next meristem produces an increase of length of organ. Dash meristem are located at the base of leaves of internodes. Next, tissues. Dash tissue are derived from the meristematic tissue. So these were questions from the plant tissue. And next is some more questions we can add. Tomorrow I will take online revision class. In that we will discuss some more questions. Today you complete these worksheets. Now this is another worksheet, that is from the chapter cell. State the function of chromosomes in a cell. Write two similarities and dissimilarities between mitochondria and plastids. Name the cell organelle that you would associate with elimination of old and worn out cells. List two types of plastids and state one function of each. You have already studied three types of plastids and you know what are the functions of each type of plastids. Name two cell organelles that contain their own genetic material. Division of labor, that is multiplication, exists even at intercellular level. Justify the statement by giving two examples. You can ignore this question, no need to do. I will discuss it tomorrow in the online class. Identify the name of following cell structure. So here cell structure, what is this? The undefined nuclear region of prokaryotic cell and site of energy release inside the cell. You have to identify the structure where these functions are performed. List any two structures differences, structural differences, and two similarities between animal cell and plant cell. All of you know this. What would happen if an animal cell is kept in distilled water for 24 hours? If you found any difficulty in any question, you just mark it and discuss it tomorrow in the online class. Next question, when a living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is contraction of contents of cell away from the cell wall. What is this phenomenon called? Write 2 points of difference between nuclear region of bacterial cell and animal cell. Which structure present in the nuclear region of living cell bears genes? List any two single-celled organism. Draw a diagram of plant cell and label it any two part. Right? And you can draw the diagrams of meristematic tissue also. You have to draw the diagram of meristematic tissue also.